Compressors are an important part of many industrial and manufacturing processes. They work tirelessly to compress air or gas, generating the necessary pressure for the desired application. But have you ever wondered what makes these machines work smoothly and efficiently? The answer lies in the special additives present in the compressor oil. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at the special additives in compressor oil. Compressor oil is a specialized lubricant designed specifically for compressors. It has a unique composition that allows it to withstand the high pressures and temperatures generated by these machines. But what makes it so special are the additives that are blended into the oil. These additives are carefully selected to improve the performance and longevity of the compressor. Let's take a closer look at some of the most common additives. First up is anti-wear additives. These additives reduce friction between metal parts, preventing wear and tear on the compressor's moving parts. They also help to minimize the formation of deposits that can lead to component failure. Next are detergents and dispersants. These additives help to keep the compressor clean by preventing the buildup of sludge and deposits. They work by dissolving any impurities and keeping them suspended in the oil, preventing them from settling on the compressor's internal surfaces. Another important additive is the antioxidant. This additive helps to prevent the oil from breaking down due to oxidation, which can lead to premature wear and damage to the compressor. It also helps to extend the life of the oil and reduce the need for frequent oil changes. Finally, we have viscosity improvers. These additives help to maintain the oil's viscosity over a wide range of temperatures, ensuring that the compressor operates smoothly and efficiently, even in extreme weather conditions. In conclusion, the special additives in compressor oil play a vital role in ensuring the smooth and efficient operation of compressors. From reducing wear and tear to preventing the buildup of deposits and improving viscosity, these additives work together to keep your compressor running at peak performance. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe for more informative videos like this one.